Hey guys, Mike over here at RV Connection. Today we are checking out a 2023 certified pre-owned Salem Platinum 29 BDB-X. What that X stands for is fiberglass. So Salem is typically a stick and tin, aka an aluminum frame structure. That is all fiberglass, so if you get stuck out here in Oklahoma in a hailstorm, you don't have to worry about it. This isn't going to beat up your siding. One of my favorite features about Salem is almost standard on all of their models. You're going to have electric stabilizer jacks. So you can push that button and both sides will come down and come back up in tandem together. No more hand cranking, no getting an impact drill. Keep things nice and simple for you while you set up. You're also going to get this outdoor kitchen set with your little Everchill mini fridge. So a couple of brews out here for everybody would be good, or maybe some juices for the kids while they swim in the lake. You're also going to get a Blackstone griddle with it. So you will get that, and it does have the Quick Connect LP below, so you can run it off your front tanks, make some eggs, bacon in the morning, keep that heat out of your camper when it's real hot in the summertime. My final feature that I like out here are these outdoor speakers. It is wired to the stereo system that is inside, so you can put on your Bluetooth, turn it to your favorite radio station, maybe that's K-Law, go ahead and get the good times cranking. Come on inside and let's check out the interior. Here inside, we do have bunks. It's actually a separate bunk room with its own sliding barn door and its own half bath. So the kids don't have to mess up your bathroom when they want to use it. It's right here next to them. These are also double wide 300-pound limit bunks. So if you bring adult friends, that is not a problem for them to slide in here. I'm about 5'10", 220 pounds, and I fit just fine. One of the other favorite features I have about Salem's, for a couple years now, this has been a main feature of theirs. This thing called hidden storage. You always wonder where you're going to put a bunch of your stuff. There's a massive hidden pantry behind this TV and fireplace. And as you can see, there have been holes cut for the wiring, so you don't have to unplug anything in order to use this storage. There is a really big concern when you bring kids, how many people can go in and out of the bathroom at the same time. On this camper, it doesn't matter, because you do have a half bath back here with the kids where they have their own toilet and shower. But if you come up here towards the master bedroom, you have your own full bathroom right here as well. So if multiple people need to go to the bathroom at the same time, that is not an issue. This couch also breaks down into a bed if the kiddos bring some friends or grandma and grandpa come, they have a place to stay. And that booth dinette over there also collapses down into a bed. So you can comfortably sleep 8 to 10 people in this camper. Perfect for family reunions, going to softball tournaments, whatever you may need. Thanks for checking out the 2023 certified pre-owned Salem Platinum 29 BDB-X. It's over here at RV Connection. We hope to get you guys camping real soon.